Good to see you again. Let's talk about the phrase brink of death. The phrase brink of death describes a situation where someone is very close to dying. It implies a critical, often life-threatening condition where death seems imminent or inevitable without immediate and effective intervention. This term can be used both literally in the context of a medical emergency and metaphorically to describe situations of extreme danger or crisis. Here are some sample sentences using the phrase brink of death. 1. After the accident, he was on the brink of death, but the doctors managed to stabilize him just in time. 2. The explorer was rescued from the brink of death after being stranded in the desert for several days with no food or water. 3. The villagers were on the brink of death due to a severe famine, but international aid arrived just in time to save many lives. 4. She felt as if she had been to the brink of death and back after her intense battle with a life-threatening illness. 5. The climbers found themselves on the brink of death when they were caught in a sudden and powerful avalanche on the mountain. 6. His reckless behavior often brought him to the brink of death, causing great concern for his family and friends. 7. The company was on the brink of death, facing imminent bankruptcy, before a crucial investment saved it from collapse. 8. The character in the novel was on the brink of death throughout the climax, adding a sense of suspense and urgency to the story. 9. With every passing hour without medical treatment, he was pushed closer to the brink of death, heightening the urgency for rescue. 10. They pulled the dog from the frozen lake, finding it on the brink of death from hypothermia, and quickly administered first aid. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with us. See you next time. Bye.